Hi there, it's Justin Gomes from Fox B2 in Cape Town. We're 3 days into judging here in Santa Fe, and yeah, it's been long days, but we're getting through the stuff. Trends, I'd say there's a lot of technology-based stuff, but what's becoming more and more clear is that technology isn't an idea. Technology serves the idea, and the best work still has great ideas as their center point, and the technology brings them to life. And everyone talking about agencies losing their relevance, I really see the power of the idea still belonging to the agency as we're seeing here this week, and I don't think that's going to go away. So yeah, we got 3 more days to go, and we start voting on silver, bronze and gold tomorrow. So looking forward to that, and the barbecue we're having tonight. So catch you later.